Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Randy Kusuma. My NPM 234-11161. I'm here presentation about the state of the economy. This presentation exposes case economies indicators, recent trend, and future condition providing leaks into current state of the global economy. Next, key economy indicators. Number one, gross domestic product. Measure the total value of goods and service produced in economy. Number two, inflation rate. Represent the rate at which price for goods and service increase over time. Number three, unemployment rate indicates the percentage of the labor force that is unemployed. Number four, interest rate reflect the cost of borrowing money influencer spending. Next, GDP growth and trends. Number one, recent growth partners. Following the COVID-19 pandemic, many economies experienced a sharp rebound, but growth has slowed down in recent quarters. Number two, factors influencing growth. Global supply chains disruption, rising inflation, and geopolitical tension have contributed to slow growth. Number three, future outlook. The outlook for growth remains uncertain with potential risks including inflation, interest rate hikes, and geopolitical instability. Next, unemployment and the labor market. Number one, labor market trends. Unemployment rates have generally declined recent years, flashing a strong labor market. Number two, labor shortage and wages. Labor shortages in certain industries have led to wage increase, contributing to inflationary pressures. Number three, skills gap. The skill gaps mismatch between available jobs and workers. Qualification remains a corner. Next, inflation and consumer price category and inflation rate. Category food inflation rate 5,4%. Category energy inflation rate 8,2%. 2%. Category housing. Inflation rate 4,1%. Next, monetary policy and interest rates. Number 1, central bank action. Central bank are raising interest rates to combat inflation and cool down economic activity. Number 2, impact on borrowing. Higher interest rates make it more expensive for business and consumers to borrow money, potential slowing down economic growth. Number 3, future interest rate projection. Central bank are expect to continue raising rates in the coming month, but the pace of hikes will depend on inflation and economic growth. Next, fiscal policy and government spending. Number 1, government spending. Government spending can be used to stimulate the economy activity or address social issues. Number 2, tax policy. Tax cuts can boost consumer spending, while tax increase can reduce impossible income. Number 3, government debt. High levels of government debt can pose a risk to economic stability and future growth. Uh, government spending government but as conzi. Next, outlook and future consideration. Number 1, global economic interdependent. Economic condition in one country can impact others due to global trade, investment, and financial market. Number 2, technological advancement. Technological advancement can drive innovation, productivity growth, and economy transformation. Number 3, climate change. Climate change present challenges and opportunities for economies, influencing investment and policy decision uh, that unlock material for now. See you and goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.